Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Checking if a string is not empty in Python, a tutorial. Introduction. In Python, determining whether a string is not empty is a common operation. This tutorial will guide you through different methods to check if a string is not empty using code examples. Method 1. Using the len function. The len function in Python returns the length of an object. For a string, it returns the number of characters in that string. By checking if the length is greater than 0, you can determine if the string is not empty. Method 2. Using the truthiness of strings. In Python, empty strings evaluate to false in a boolean context, while non-empty strings evaluate to true. You can use this property to check if a string is not empty. Method 3. Using if statement. You can directly use the if statement to check if a string is not empty by evaluating it in a boolean context. Method 4. Using strstrip. The strstrip method removes leading and trailing wt spaces from a string. After stripping the string, you can check if it's not empty. Conclusion. These are 4 different methods to check if a string is not empty in Python. Choose the method that fits your specific requirements and coding style. Whether you prefer using the len function, truthiness, the if statement, or strstrip, each approach achieves the same result. ChatGPT.